This is garlic toasted in some butter, and then we're gonna add some onions. Now I added some onions. These are some chunks of the lobster from the lobster tail, and some lemons here that we're gonna add later for our lobster pasta. We have 2 cans of Campbell's cream of mushroom. I have here another one, and this will be part of our sauce base together with this. And you can put the lobster now. Frozen green peas. So we're gonna add 1 cup of frozen green peas. And we have here 2 zucchinis that we're gonna add also as the ingredient. We have to add a cup of green peas, and then we'll add the zucchini. We're gonna squeeze half a lemon. Add the cream of mushroom. The 2 cans of cream of mushroom. By the way, I added a cup of water to make the sauce a little bit watery because it was so thick. Add salt and pepper to taste, according to taste. Simmer for a few minutes. Now it's simmering, we'll do a taste test. Delicious. Now this is our sauce for our lobster pasta. Okay, for the pasta, we have a tablespoon of salt to the water, and then we'll add the pasta slowly. And this has to boil for a few minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and like 2 to 3 minutes before the pasta will cook, we have to add some broccoli to add vegetable to our pasta. We have a few broccoli here already ready. We have a few pieces broccoli florets. We're gonna add it to the pasta about 3 minutes before we will remove it from the water, from the boiling water. 2 to 3 minutes the broccoli will cook together with the pasta. And also a good tip, like half a cup of this salty water you can add to the sauce. Okay, the sauce is simmering and the pasta is ready with the broccoli. So it's gonna We have to lower the fire or until put it to minimum or to 0 while you're mixing the pasta. This is, by the way, the lobster with broccoli and zucchini pasta. Okay, here's the cooked pasta with lobster and broccoli and zucchini. And we use the cream of mushroom, 2 cans of it.